Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about slashing a string. So what is slashing? Slashing is to get only part of a string or get a range of characters from a string. So if we have a string, a long string, and we only want to get only part of that string, then we use slashing. So this is a syntax of slashing. Variable number and square brackets, and in square brackets we have to give a start index colon and end index. So this is the syntax of slashing. We write variable name and start index colon and end index. So start index is from which index a string or a part of a string should start, and end index is at which index a string should end. So let's create a string, a name programmer. So I want to get only pro from the string. Then I will write a variable name and square brackets, and in square brackets I will write index number, starting index number. So string start with index 0. So p is index number 0. P is at index number 0. So I will write 0 and colon and then end index. So what is the index of O? That is 0, 1 and 2. So it's 2. But in end index there is a number which is not included. So if I write 2, then it will print from 0 to 1. So let's print this. So it's writing P and R. So O is not included, because when we write any number at end index, that number is -1. So if I write 2, it will print from 0 to 1. It will minus from end index. So if I write 3, then it will print from 0 to 2. So it's printing from 0, 1 and 2, because 3 is not included. And if I write 7, then it will print from 0 to 6 index. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's print this. So it is a printing program, because 7 is not included. It is you can also take this as a end index -1. So if you give 7, it will goes to 6. If you give 10, it will goes to 9. It is always -1. So if I write 5, 4, then it will print from 4 to 6, because 4 is included but 7 is not included. Then it will go from index number 4 to index number 6. So it will 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, that is R. It will print R, A and M. So let's do it 3. So it's printing gram. So if I delete this, I delete the start index, then its default value is index number 0, so it will goes from 0 to 6. So you can see this, and if I remove end index, then it will goes to end of the string. So it's starting from 0, that is p, and I have not mentioned end index, so it will goes to the end of the string. So it's printing the whole string. If I delete this one, then it also print the whole string, because we have not mentioned start index and end index, so it will print the whole string. And you can also give index numbers in minus. So if I write minus 5, then it will print, so if I write minus 1, then it will print r. So then when we give numbers in minus, it starts with end. So minus 1, r is at minus 1 index, and e is at minus 2 index, 3 is minus m is minus 3 index. So if I write minus 3, then it will start from m and write er, m er. So if I write minus 1, then it will only print r. And if I write minus 1, so it will not print the r, because end index is not included. If I write 2, then it will print a string, but it leaves 2 characters from the end. And if I write 4, then it will only print 1 character, that is a. So a is at minus index 5, and so I have write minus 4, then it will remove or leave these 4 characters, so it will only print 1. And if I write minus 1, then it will print from a, double m and e. So it's printing. And if I remove this, then it will print from a to end of the string. So it is printing a, double m and er. So you can also use index number in minus to get a string, and you can also use in plus. So slashing is just to get only part of a string. So that's all for today. We will learn more about Python in the next videos.